Good morning, all.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
sir.
sir.
Yesterday's paper you wrote well.
No, sir, little difficult, sir.
Few problems also I couldn't do. What man?
Sir, I did difficult, sir. Couldn't
Not
do,
in few problems.
sir. Some problems we did, sir, but problems were very hard, sir.
So what do you suggest?
I think, sir, first paper, no, sir. That's it. After practicing assignments, maybe it will become easy, sir.
Okay, come back to this. Right. All are new type of problems, no, which we need not discuss here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. No type problems, sir.
No, that's purposefully I am only giving the questions to check how far you are responding to new questions. What it is, same thing you guys give, you'll reproduce. What is the fun in that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. No fun, sir.
I told Abdul also. Creative problems they are unable to do, routine things they are doing. Right. Anyhow, this is mass of A visible. Mass of A is M, that of B. K. Then spring constant is K. There is no friction. Okay. Agreed.
Yes, sir. Understood. Yes, sir.
See, at maximum extension, what I said,
velocity equal to 0.
Velocity will be 0, acceleration is not equal to 0.
you have velocities at 0, no?
Yes, sir.
Now here we'll apply conservation principle. What loses energy?
Log b.
Minus W is potentials.
Because as the blocks are not having any velocities, no?
Yes, sir.
Till here you followed?
Sir, one doubt, sir. Sir, potential energy of spring. I didn't understand, sir. How it will break.
This is losing, no? That energy should be somewhere, no?
Yes, sir. It should be gained by some people.
That is stored where there is no kinetic energy, no?
No kinetic energy for both blocks.
That means what is happening to the loss of this? This is here only, horizontal only. A is not gaining anything. What are the other potential energy left over? Spring only, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Spring
sir.
only.
See, remember that. What is the work done by spring force?
Minus 1 by 2 k into x square max minus x square min.
K into x
X square minus XA square,
X
no?
square.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This is half K. See, this is nothing but minus delta, you know. Remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Minus delta.
That means delta U
Half
half K.
sub square minus x square.
So UF minus UI, no, this is.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
K sub square minus x square. Half k x square.
Agreed.
Yes, sir.
UF equals
Half k x sub square minus half k x square.
do you agree with this?
Agree, sir.
Initially, yes.
When extension is 0, what is UI?
U equal to
1 by 2 k x square square.
So the final one will be how much? Agreed.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now here we'll use the same concept. Is it clear or not?
Clear, sir.
So loss of this is mass. It is suppose except it falls by this, no?
Yes, sir.
Gain in increase means final. Increase is saying, no? So this
Yes,
is
sir.
half K xm whole square. Initially no extension, no?
Yes, sir.
Agreed or not?
Agreed, sir.
Agreed, sir.
So you need 2m gxm half K. Any doubt is there till here?
No, sir.
Yeah.
M is equal to 2 mg by k.
Hmm. Find out xm. Understood this?
Understood.
Shall I turn this?
1
1
minute.
minute, sir.
I posted the work for just now you are doing.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Start.
Yes, sir. Doing, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1
1
minute,
minute,
sir.
sir. Sir, sir,
Tell me.
sir, can you once again explain that how are we saying that it is losing potential energy of B is losing? I'm not understanding that statement, sir. That it is losing and that is spring is gaining.
What is losing you tell?
No, sir. B is losing that I understood, sir. But potential energy
Where
of
that
spring,
energy
sir. That one.
goes, some body is losing energy as it which gain. A conservation of mechanical energy says that somewhere it is losing. So where it will go? There is no
In that
friction,
another
so
position.
heat is not generated. Okay, these two blocks are not having any velocity. That means they don't have any kinetic energy. Only possibility is spring should be gaining that. Only spring is stretching. When a
Yes, sir.
spring is stretched, it has potential energy, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Identify what is losing the energy. What happens to that energy? That's all, nothing else.
Sir, if friction is present, the spring and friction we
Then,
should take, sir, both.
no, for friction is there, then heat is generated. That you can't do now unless you teach thermodynamics. So that's the reason why that part we ignore.
Yes, sir.
If blocks are moving, you have to consider the kinetic energy. Next part is that only. Shall I turn that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, the next part of the question, he says that only now. The
Yes, sir.
second part, read the second part of the question. He
Block.
says
Speed
that the
of
speed
block
of
A.
block A. Same thing here. What he says is the system is now the spring is not extended. He says that is half of the maximum now.
Yes,
That
sir.
means half. What is maximum extension you already got?
4 m by K.
4 mg by k.
By 7. 4 mg by K.
So this comes to
2 mg by K.
okay. Now here what is losing energy? Say I'll say gravitational potential energy.
By block.
Sir, it's flushed sir, and it's showing that your internet is low.
Pardon?
Sir, loss of gravitational potential energy by block B. Kinetic energy. Potential energy of spring.
Elastic. Because blocks are moving now.
Yes, sir. This is kinetic energy of blocks.
Clear? So
Yes, sir.
here, see, I tell you, this statement is nothing but work done by all forces equals change in kinetic energy. Na?
Yes, sir.
Here
Yes,
you
sir.
have forces are gravitational force, spring force. Okay, this is change in kinetic. What is the work done by gravitational force? Minus gravitational force, no? This is nothing but minus, what do you have?
Delta U spring force.
Yes.
Agreed. This
Yes,
is
sir.
nothing but delta means loss only, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is this? Negative sign indicate that there is a loss now.
Yes, sir.
And what is this? Positive
Gain
sign.
of potential. Gain of potential energy.
Elastic P. This is gravitational potential energy. This is elastic potential energy.
Yes, sir.
Plus, this is change in kinetic energy. The same thing we got now. I wrote the same thing.
Yes, sir.
What is the loss in this?
So, 2mg by some, so 2mg into 2mg by K.
Increase
Half
in elastic potential energy. Huh?
K, 2mg by K whole square minus 0. Yes, minus plus half on 2mg square.
Do you agree with this?
Agree square. Agree square.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Clear.
Yes, sir.
Now you can see by string constraint both should have same velocity. No? Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Remember?
Number, sorry.
V1 is equal to
Substitute that and carefully you do, you will be getting V. You will get this. Shall I turn this?
minutes.
Clear?
Clear.
Hard, sir.
Got?
Shutdown.
Hello?
Doing service.
What, sir?
Finished.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
So, mm,
Sir,
Hmm.
that would be 2g under root m by 3k, na, sir?
No,
I'm
no,
getting
2m by
m by
3k.
3k.
2m by 3k he gave. Anybody got that?
so doing
What man? Simple calculation you're doing hours together.
ठीक है,
Do it fast.
yes, sir. What, sir?
Hmm?
Yes, sir. Same value.
Right. Okay, note down this answer.
Yes, sir. Noted.
Then there is another part of this. The third part. If you draw the free body diagram, this is the whole analysis of this. Okay, this is the spring force. Spring force tries to pull it like this, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the tension. Okay,
Yes, sir.
these are the forces. Okay, now you can see for this part as string is rope is massless, no?
Yes, sir. Rope is lossless.
Acceleration. So T1 equals Kx. What is the extension he gave?
Okay. K into
He
so
gave 1/4.
by K. Yes, sir. Mg by K.
Okay.
Yes.
Now you can see for this block, by string constraint, they have the same acceleration. For this block, do you agree with this? These are the
Agree.
equations we get.
Yes, sir.
So out of this we know what is maximum you got already now.
Yes, sir.
For
How much
mg
you
by
For
k.
got?
For
for
mg by k.
Now from this equation what you have? Substitute this value here, get acceleration. That is what he is asking now.
Yes, sir.
Be quick, do it.
Mm.
Relation is G by 3.
G by 2 he gave. It is given that it is G by 2.
Sir, if you add both the equation, G2 will get cancelled, sir. So
I don't know,
anything
he
equal
gave
to
the
3
D,
remain as.
he gave G by 2, my answer.
G by 3.
Hmm?
G by 3.
G by 3 you are getting.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. 1/4 only.
Sir, 1/4
Yes,
only,
sir.
sir.
T2.
G by 3, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, I'm getting G by 3, sir.
G by 3 you are getting.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Same only.
You run it correctly only, no? T2, T1.
Sir, we will get spring force also, na, sir. T2
Pardon?
minus T1 minus spring force, na, sir.
No
That
man,
was
how it will be? For this block, man, why again you are taking spring force? This is one block. This is for this path. Why spring force will come here?
yes. I thought that spring is connected to the block.
Okay. So should we correct this one only? Agreed?
Yes,
Let
sir.
us see.
Yes, sir.
Let us go to next question. Nothing I found. This is we are getting this only. Shall I turn this? There is no error anywhere, no? Framing of equation, everything is correct only. Mass is M only, no? Yes.
Yes, sir. M only, sir.
This is 2 mg, this is also correct.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Mhm. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Now let us see another conservation of energy problem.
Yes, sir.
Find the coefficient of friction. Elsewhere means at pulleys and all. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I do? Can you tell what are the using constant relations? What is the relation between these two? Same string, no? Hello?
Sir, UA
Hello?
equals to
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir, same.
Speak something, man. This is T2. This is T2, no? Now
Yes,
you
sir.
can see for the
Sir,
pulley, this is T1, this is T1, this is T2. So T2 equals,
Two.
equal.
that means here you can see that block B is having twice of that. That
Yes,
means A2 should be
two.
A1 by 2, no?
A1 by
Because
2.
tension is inversely proportional to acceleration. Remember that?
Remember.
This is having 2 times this. The acceleration should be half, no?
Half. Yes, sir. Half.
Tension on this is twice means acceleration should be half of that, no? Do you
Yes,
agree
sir.
with this one?
Yes, sir. Agree.
Or you can do like this. A2 by A1 is
Half. 1 by 2. It's two. T2 by 2 T1.
hmm,
T1 by Q2.
So if this is acceleration is a1, if you take, this should be what? Half of that, no?
Yes, sir, half of that. A1 by 2.
Any doubt is there till here?
Okay. Not also. Not also.
Then this should be, do you agree with this?
Yes, sir. Agree. Agree.
Any doubt?
No, sir. No.
Do you agree with this?
Agree, sir.
Note on this.
Yes.
He gave VB, no?
Yes, sir. We value.
So what is VA? Because I need kinetic energy, I am first finding this. Agreed?
Agreed.
Now you know that, apply. Okay, they are the forces. This is work done by friction. This is minus delta U. Work done by tension is always, next work done is zero. We learned that, remember? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Displacement of A cos 180 equals delta U plus delta K. This implies minus mu. Mass of A is 4. Displacement of A, SA. Okay, is equal to change in this. M is how much? M G S B. Displacement is this one, na? Finally, they agree with this?
Yes, sir. Agree, sir.
Delta U for B is how much? You'll get minus. Why? It is coming down. So this will be negative. No? If it goes up, remember that in MGH, H is a positive if it moves down. Okay, H is a negative if it comes down. Agreed on it? That is loss, no?
Yes, sir. Perfectly.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
It gains energy, no?
Gains energy if it goes up. No condition. Moves down.
You
Moves down.
agree with this? So this is
Agree, sir.
correct.
Yes, sir.
A will not have any change in potential energy. A is there only, no? It is not going anywhere. Horizontal end is moving. There is no change in height. So I can say that there is no change in height now. I can call this plus half mass of A, velocity of A, half. Initially both are at rest now.
Yes, sir. Initially both are.
Clear or not? Now you can see from this, yes, one is this, no? SA is to SB. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Stay equal to SB from
SB is how
consider.
much? 2. So this is 2 meters. So you got this. Mass is known. SB is 1 meter. All values VA, VB, everything is known. Do you agree with this? Find mu. Understood what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is there, you can ask. But do the
Yes,
calculation
sir.
carefully. Any doubt is there?
Yes.
See, in each problem, we'll write some points here, note means you try to remember them, okay?
Roads.
Got this? Any answer?
Okay.
You can use your calculator, suppose you cannot find it. Any doubt is there conceptually?
No, sir.
Sir, 1.154.
How much you're getting? A 0.115 he gave.
No, sir, 1.154, sir.
Yes, sir,
Oh man.
1.1.
See here you forgot G. Mu mg, no? I think you have copied as it is, I think that's why.
Sir, yes, sir.
This G we forgot. You copied as it is. Till here, any doubt is there?
No, sir.
Any answer?
Sir, I'm getting 0.12, sir.
0.115. That is equal to 0.12 nearly. No?
Wow.
చూసుకున్నా ఉందా ఇంకా ఇవ్వండి. Shall I turn this? Okay, note down this. Do it slowly. Understood till here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Note down.
Yes, sir.
This should be the answer. We have time constraint.
Sir,
Note
got
down
sir.
this. Right. Those who got, well and good. Others, please try and complete it. Now come back to the next one. This is one block. See, I posted one PDF of H.C. Verma long back. You have no?
Understood, sir.
H.C. Verma book I posted or not?
Yes, sir. We have.
Posted, sir.
Pardon?
Posted, sir. Posted, sir.
That is the textbook actually. It's a very good book. Go through that.
Yeah.
Actually, theory, everything I am giving. Still, you want to cross check, you can read that. Hmm. Mara. Hello? Got this? Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I go ahead? Now let us see for this. See, if we put in the free body diagram of this, the tension now. For block B. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir. Tension.
Clear? Now this rope, this piece
Agreed,
I am saying, this rope is massless now.
sir. Massless.
So for that small part we can write there is no mass. So spring force is tension. Do you agree with this? Now for the
Yes, sir.
block A, do you agree with this?
Agree, sir.
Okay, when block A comes down, what will happen?
Sir, max extension XM. Block also moves by XM.
Then T equals MAG. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
And
T equal to
spring
MA.
force will be,
At this P is equal to
this is T he gave, no?
yes.
And what are the other forces on this? Normal reaction. This is MBG. What is MB he has given? MG. Now when block B leaves, what will be zero?
Normal reaction is zero.
So what you will have?
At this P is equal to MA.
Agreed?
Agreed, sir.
So from these two, you have spring force is mg equals kx max.
One doubt, sir. Minus K max.
Pardon?
Sir, spring force
No,
is
no, I am
minus
taking
K.
magnitude.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay.
Any doubt is that till here?
No, sir.
No doubts.
Hmm. Do you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir.
No, no. Now we have to find out A. Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
Wait, wait. When the spring is extension maximum, what will happen?
Velocity is
Velocity
0.
is equal to 0, acceleration will be.
Velocity is zero.
Yes, sir. Velocity is
But we cannot equate like that now. Acceleration is not zero now. Actually, this equation should be
minus MA. MA
minus M equal to MA.
Again, headache will come with acceleration. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Sir, I think T minus MAG is MA into N.
Then again, introducing that will be getting headache. We will do one thing.
Conservation of energy we can use.
We will do
One gains potential.
the other way. See here, we will use this.
Yes, sir.
The spring force. Gravity means only A falls down, no?
Yes, sir. Only A falls.
So A falls down means we should take minus x max. Remember this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
There
Got
is
it.
this M B is not yet moving, no?
Yes, sir. Not
Yes,
moving.
sir.
And B into D.
Agreed this?
Agreed,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Maximum extension means both the blocks are at rest only, no? So
Yes,
this
sir.
gives us, following what I am saying,
Following, sir. Following,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
this acceleration means again that calculations are difficult for us. So we can do
Sir, minus 1
this
by
one, you agreed?
Agreed, sir.
minus 1 by 2 k x max, na, sir.
Now you can see that for B, the normal reaction,
So,
this is the spring force, no?
keep saying very, sir.
Pardon?
MAG into X max means minus K X max square, no, sir.
This is minus,
Yes,
no?
sir. Yes, sir. There is a minus and minus x max also is there, na, sir, on the other side. If you send one the right side, another will be negative.
One second. We are doing work done by all forces. I am not inter. Work done by the forces is how much? MAG is downward. It's not potential energy. This is X
Yes, sir.
max. Both, what is the angle? Theta is 0, no?
0 degrees, sir. Yes, sir.
That's what we have done the mistake. One small error will go wrong.
Yes, sir.
I have taken not potential energies, work done.
Yes.
If I want to take potential energy, I should not have this minus here. Remember?
Yes, sir. Remember.
Minus for potential.
When n is 0. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Now substitute here, you will be getting MA value. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See how much you are getting?
One.
M by 2, sir. Yes, sir.
N by 2 you'll get.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Got this?
Yes, sir. Got M by 2.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Understood the method?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Understood, sir.
I posted the assignment now. In that you do in the order Narayana, Chaitanya is there now, one material.
Yes, sir.
If you go through that, going on doing, you apply your method, don't see those solutions. Chaitanya, Narayana, then go to resonance, then go to quota assorted.
Sir, that Akash Multimedia is taken away, sir.
That is only Akash, it is there now, Akash, that is only Chaitanya.
Alan.
What else I gave, man?
Vidyasagar.
Vidyamati.
Bansal.
Do in this order, man. At least if you can do till here, you'll have some perfection. Sky is the limit. You want all India first time, do everything. The minimum required is at least this. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
And when you do, don't be hasty to complete. You do by your way, don't go into his solution. That solution you won't understand, he won't give any proper explanation.
Yes, sir. He only gives formula, ready-made formula is there sir, for every question.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
You analyze yourself, man. Why do you go into his shoes? That fellow will give something. Take another problem.
Yes, sir.
See, last time I gave for
of vertical chain vertical to
P is how much?
h by 1 plus this, height of body ground.
Center of mass, no? Remember?
600%.
Last time I told, no?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is that till here?
No doubt, sir.
Remember this? Last time I
Yes,
Yes,
told
sir.
you.
yes,
The chain is there from here. This height is L. What is the potentiality means? I am taking what?
yes, sir. So mass by 2. By 2.
This is what we have done earlier by integration. Remember this? We proved that.
So how much? How
Remember
much
this or
is
not? Hello.
Remember, sir.
Right. Now here also there is a chain lying on the table. Okay. The last link comes, it falls like this. Clear? Now you can see that this is the center of mass now.
Association of mass L by 2.
Now center of mass used to be on the table now initially. Now it has come over here now. From this position, it has come to this position. That means it is displaced by how much?
L by 2.
Displaced L by 2 downward and L by 2 sideward.
L by 2 only, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, L by 2. Yes. Sir, L by 2 downward.
Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We don't want this displacement, we want only vertical displacement now.
Yes, sir, vertical displacement.
Agreed?
Reach.
So we can use anything. Work done by all forces equals change in kinetic energy. Here gravity force does work. Normal reaction anyhow will not do any work. Change in kinetic energy. mg is downward. Okay. The whole chain L by 2 cos 0. Half mass velocity of the chain. Initially it is at rest. So what is that you have? V. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Right. Go to your chemistry class. Complete this. We'll meet tomorrow. Okay. Any doubts are there?
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
No, sir.
Right.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye bye.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Complete this. Bye.
Yes, sir.